I saw this email question. Let's see. The time required for Alameda Center to complete an oil change service at on an automobile approximates a normal distribution with a mean of 17 and a standard deviation of 4 minutes. So, you click on Stat, Calculators, and you pick off the normal calculator. Okay, start with, and then you put in the 17 minutes and the 4, and the mean 17, and the standard deviation is 4. Okay, then they asked, the Automotive Center guarantees customers that the service will take no longer than 20 minutes. If the service takes longer, the customer will receive the service at half price. What percent of the customers receive half price? So 20 minutes or longer. So, I put 20 minutes in here. It's 20 minutes or longer, and you get half price. So I got this point that, who's going to be greater than or equal to 20 minutes. I clicked compute, and it gives me this number, which is this area here, which is 0.2266. And, they do want you to convert it to percent here, and so you have to move the decimal over 2 places, so it'd be 22.6, be 22.66%, you round it, they suggest you round it to two decimal places. Hope that helps.